Hi there, I'm Haley, the pattern designer here at Seamwork, and I'm here with another monthly fabric video. In this video, I'll be talking all about the Killian and Siahra dresses. I'll review the design details, talk about what fabrics best suit these patterns, and share what we chose for the photo samples. This month, we partnered with Spoonflower. If you aren't already familiar with Spoonflower, they are an online retailer that specializes in custom printed fabric, wallpaper, and home decor. Super cool. At Spoonflower, you can create your own design or select one from their truly enormous catalog, then have it printed on a substrate of your choice. It is seriously so much fun browsing their catalog and even more fun to design your very own fabric. So of course, being the fabric and sewing nerds that we are here at Seamwork, we just had to design a fabric collection for this photo shoot. So all of the samples that I'm going to show you later on in this video are Seamwork exclusive prints that you can purchase yourself. I'll be sure to drop that link below. I'll talk a little bit more about Spoonflower later on, but for now, let's jump in and look at this month's patterns. First up, we have the Killian dress. This dress seriously won't ever go out of style. It is a total classic. The Killian dress features a classic silhouette with a fitted bodice, V neckline, and gathered skirt, closing with buttons up the front. The neckline is finished with a facing and it has patch pockets across the side seams. For this pattern, you'll want to look for light to medium weight woven fabrics. But since Killian is unlined, make sure to choose something that is opaque. Fabrics like linen, denim, chambray, batiste, lawn, shirting, rayon challis, cupro, or even tencel would look fantastic for this design. For the Killian sample, we used Spoonflower's brand new cotton lawn. This fabric is very lightweight and crisp. It works well for the Killian dress because it provides the right balance of structure for details like the pockets, gathers, and button closure. The Killian member bonus adds a dramatic gathered sleeve with an elastic casing at the hem. For this sample, we went with a cotton poplin. The poplin has a smooth hand and offers a bit more structure than the lawn. I love this because it gives the gathered sleeve a little bit more oomph and volume. Now let's talk about this Ciara dress. Ciara is a total summertime staple. This midi length dress has an empire waistline, adjustable straps, and a clever casing that creates a gathered neckline. The front is finished with a facing, and the underarm and back neckline are finished with single fold bias tape. For this pattern, we want to look for a light to medium weight woven fabric, such as linen, chambray, batiste, lawn, voile, rayon challis, cupro, and even tencel are going to be great choices for this pattern. For the Ciara sample, we chose to use the cotton lawn again. I think that the crispness of this lawn lends a little bit of structure to Ciara's neckline ruffle and gives the skirt a pretty volume. I definitely recommend something like lawn, shirting, or chambray if this is the look you want. If instead you prefer a dress to fall more closely to your body, then look for something with a little bit more drape like a rayon or even a silk. This month's pattern hack transforms Ciara into a top with convertible tie straps. For this sample, we went with a poly crepe de chine. I actually really love this fabric. It doesn't have that plasticky feel that some polyesters can have. Instead, it's really drapey, matte, and quite lovely. I like how this fabric falls, and I think it would also make a great Ciara dress. Those are all of the fabrics and patterns from the July 2021 issue of Seamwork. Be sure to check out this month's patterns and magazine at seamwork.com. I'm also curious to know if you've ever used Spoonflower, so let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the latest and greatest from us. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing.